Spin him back. I think that's a good move. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. That was a stunning shot. Good shot for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Rain getting heavier now. The umpires will surely want to have a chat. Turned away for a single. Very good running between the wickets. That's a quick throw right on top of the stumps. Squeeze a single there. Good running. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Finally, the umpires coming together to decide whether play can continue in this heavy rain. The players rushing back to the dressing room. We might lose some overs here.